Hi everyone, this is Adrian Mercado. I'm a financial coach. So today, ang pag-usapan natin is the 3 things that you have to consider before starting your kids' college education fund. So first thing that you have to consider is the budget. Magkano ba yung monthly, quarterly, or annual budget na comfortable kailan for a educational fund? It is very important to know kasi mamaya kumuha ka ng isang plan then hindi mo pala kayang i-sustain, baka masayang lang yung mga una mong naibayad sa plan. So baka mabaliwala lang siya. So second thing that you have to consider before ka mag-start ng educational plan is for you to identify ano ba yung vehicle na gagamitin mo. When we say vehicle, ano ba yung strategy or financial plan na sisimulan mo? Kasi for educational plan, you can actually start your own strategy. For example, gusto mo mag-invest sa mutual fund or gusto mo mag-invest sa stocks on your own or gusto mong itry yung MP2. Then meron naman tayong mga plan na designed for you to receive a payout once nag-college na yung anak mo. For example, yung Manulife Educational Builder. Once your kid turns 18 hanggang mag-22 siya, you will receive a fund or a payout from first year college up to 5th year college. Pero naman yung Freedom Plan, yun naman is makaka-receive ka naman ng fund every other year on the 11th year nung policy mo. So there's a lot of option that you can choose. All you have to know, ano ba yung workable doon sa preference mo. Fourth thing that you have to know for starting an educational plan is you have to compute magkano ba yung college tuition fee na kailangan ng anak mo once he turns 18. Take note that college tuition fees increase on average 7% a year. So for example, ang tuition fee sa Ateneo right now is roughly 200 to 250,000. And let's say magka-college yung anak mo 15 years from now, ang estimate tuition fee na ng Ateneo pagdating niya ng 18 is nasa roughly 490,000. Okay, so ganong kalaki ang pag-increase ng college tuition fee. So you have to know as early as now, magkano ba yung estimate tuition fee na need ng anak mo. Kasi as a parent, we want to make sure na yung mga anak natin has unlimited options pagdating sa course and profession na gusto niya. Kasi mahirap naman kung gusto niyang mag-pilot, pero ang kaya lang natin maibigay is a 4-year course. Masakit yung para sa isang magulang na hindi niya mabigay yung pangarap ng kanyang anak. So mas maganda habang maaga pa, we prepare. So that's it. I hope nakatulong sa itong quick video na ito. And if you need help with your kids' college educational fund, message mo lang ako. Tutulungan kita dyan. Again, this is Adrian Mercado. Until the next video.